Today we are here in Jefferson at one of the newest neighborhoods by Chafin communities called Mallards Landing, and I am joined by Curtis. So Curtis, first of all, could you tell us a little bit about this area?
Yes, Mallards Landing is located in Jefferson, Georgia. We are just minutes from Interstate 85, and we're located in the highly ranked Jefferson City School District. Our community is minutes from downtown Jefferson, where there are tons of events that the city puts on for its residents all year long. You can also find shopping, dining, and activities for the entire family.
What can you tell us about the homes and amenities here?
The homes in Mallards Landing start in the high 300s. We offer two-story and ranch plans. Our homes have traditional exterior brick and stone accents. They sit on large lots and have large backyards, so you don't feel like you're on top of your neighbor. We have a number of floor plans that you can choose from, 3 to 6 bedrooms and 2 or 3 car garages. We have a swim community with 2 pools which feature fountains and slides as well as cabana areas. We also have sidewalks and a playground.
And today we are standing in your beautiful model home. It is so warm and inviting. So what can you tell us about it?
Our model home is called the Brunswick 2. It's a very open floor plan with coffered ceilings in the great room. There's a beautiful kitchen with granite countertops and traverse lighting. There is a mudroom off the garage with options to upgrade this area with cubbies for extra storage. We also have a great outdoor living space with an enclosed patio with an outdoor fireplace, which is great for those chilly fall nights. Upstairs, there's an incredible media room, which is very flexible space. Buyers also love the upgraded feature of the enlarged 7-foot shower in our primary suite on the 2nd level. Each home is built with the homebuyer's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we are proud to offer the benefits of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, water heater, fireplaces, and cooktops. Because no matter the season or the weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford.
In this market, availability can be tough. So what is the availability here at Mallards Landing?
Yes, we have 4 slab homes available now and 11 more homes being built for future release.
Well, I'm sure there's some people out there that would love to learn more. So what is the best way to do that?
Please come out and visit our model home, or you can call me directly at 678-614-1245. You can also visit our website at chafincommunities.com.
Well, Curtis, thanks so much for being here with me today. And to learn more about natural gas and natural gas products, you can go to atlantagaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.